Thank you. Actually, I was thinking I should do like a video with Ammu, Mama के साथ. I should do like a YouTube video with her, in which मैं शायद, I should be like doing makeup on her face. Do you guys think that's a good idea? मम्मी को makeup करना, is that a good video on YouTube? I don't know. I haven't seen anybody do that yet, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Always looking so beautiful. Thank you. Hi, Princess Crush. Hi. Falling in love with you day by day. Thank you so much, dear. Love ya. Take my name, Muskan. Hi, Divya. How are you? गुस्से ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ क्यूट लगते हो. मैं गुस्सा नहीं करती. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ. I don't know. Yeah. Yes, do dance superb. Yeah, I will do it. Rimsha. Hey Avneet, you and Sid are amazing together always. Stay together and happy always. I love you both a lot. Please take my name. Sure, always. Alas me forever. So yeah, many. Hopefully many episodes are gonna come of Aladdin now. God, like I know you guys have been missing us on screen a lot. Siddharth Nigama, Vasuli is saying hi. Hi, Vasuli bhai. Okay, it's not Vasuli, it's Vasuli bhai. Has to be cool, man. Avneet called Lifeline. Yes, good idea. Yeah, I should be doing that. I feel like I'll do it. आज तक मेरा नाम नहीं लिया यार. यार ऐसे नहीं बोलो, आप अपना नाम बोलो, मैंने बोलना है आपका नाम. टेंशन नहीं कोई. Avneet called Lifeline. Hey, Sidneet, your acting is marvelous. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will remember my name. Isha. I know your name. Oh God. Whatever you do is always amazing. Thank you so much. Hi Sumit Sharma. Hi Tulip. Hi. Abu, I want to talk to you so much. I have to say so much. Sure, you can text me on DM or you can just put down stuff here. Let me reply to you. Abu fan edits का आप part 2 बनाने वाले हो? Actually मतलब वो जो वीडियो मैंने जो पूरी बनाई थी उस पर वो मैंने पूरा डाल दिया. मैंने जितना भी रिएक्ट किया ना टोटल फैन एडिट्स पे, आई हैव ऑलरेडी पोस्टेड द होल थिंग. सो आई वाज एक्चुअली थिंकिंग, मैं सोच रही थी कि ऑलरेडी इतने सारे वो हो चुके हैं एडिट्स उस पर. मैंने सोचा नहीं था इतने ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे, बट मैं बनाती हूँ. नॉट नाउ बिकॉज अभी मैंने रिसेंटली किया है, बट आई विल मेक अ पार्ट 2 ऑफ इट डेफिनेटली. Because I have to, because there are many more जो अभी तक जिनको मैंने देखा नहीं है edits को. So I'll try to make that. You're so beautiful. Thank you. Is it just me or is it actually getting hot in here? God, बहुत गर्मी हो रही है यार. So guys, you can go ahead, ask me any question if you want. Hi Avneet. Hi, can you say my name? Angel. Hi Angel, how are you? Hello everybody. Hi. Abu, you are not noticing me these days. You are not checking my DMs. You last replied to me on the 18th of April. Oh my God. Okay, I'll check your DM, sure. And I always check fan arts and stuff. I always like them. But let me check your DM. And you have been an amazing fan page to me. Thank you so much. And I love you so much. Add me, madam. Oye, रुको. एक second. Okay. I'm trying. Is it happening? यार कमेंट्स इतने छोटे आते हैं क्या? रीड करने में दिक्कत हो रही बहुत. ओ मैं चश्मा नहीं पहना. oops कोई ना. मैम एक बार हेलो हनी बोल दो प्लीज. हाय हनी, हाउ आर यू? तो जाओ फ्रीजर में बैठो. आई डोंट थिंक वो अच्छा चॉइस रहेगा. मतलब फ्रीजर में बैठना, आई डोंट थिंक सो। एक काम कर सकती हूँ, मैं एसी में बैठ सकती हूँ, फ्रीजर नहीं, फ्रीजर ज्यादा हो गया। ओए तुम कहाँ हो बे? Stupid, he's not even coming. He's like Adby Madam and he's become Mr. India all of a sudden. Can you say my name, Rachita? Hi Rachita, कैसे हो आप? ओए I tried to add you, Siddharth. One sec, let me see. Let me send you a request, and if you get it, accept it, and then I probably will be able to see your face. I'm trying. Waiting for Siddharth Nigam. Wait. I have sent you a request. You have to accept it to come live. भाई साहब गर्मी बहुत है यार. I miss you, Avni. I miss you too. The fun we used to have in good old days. One good thing happened is I'm done with my exams. Siddharth, I'm trying to add you. I swear it's not happening. I don't know why. People are also saying add Siddharth. यार क्या करूँ मैं, नहीं हो रहा है. I tried to send you a friend request. क्या कहते हैं? Live request. Selena, love you so much, Avni. Thank you. Buddy, I just had an intense workout session right now. I feel so done. I hate this filter. क्यों है मेरे पास? भाई क्या है? ओहो, ये भी कुछ ज्यादा ही है. यार ये क्या है? ये अच्छा है, क्यूट है. I miss you, शहजादी यास्मीन. I know. अभी अलादीन को तो थोड़ा टाइम है. अभी फिलहाल we're not starting the shoot yet. I've also sent you. Arya, I swear I'm sending you. It's not happening only. Waiting for Siddharth Nigam. यही दिखा रहा है. Looking so cute. Thank you so much, Riya. Piyush, add Siddharth. I am trying. It's not happening. I tried to send him a request also. I'll try again. 1 second. Siddharth, I'm sending you a request. See if it's happening. Trying it from my end. Do you remember my name? Avneet Kaur Lifeline. Give me, okay, let's try this. Give me the first initial, like your name ka initial. Just give me that. Maybe I'll know. Is it? No, I don't want to say anything. I don't want to get wrong. Sorry. Very, very bad with birth dates and names and stuff like that. So that I'm trying to add you, this is not happening. It's so irritating. Hi Ariba. Didn't happen. Did not happen. I don't know why. Stupid Instagram man sometimes. So stupid. Ugh. Hate this filter. Can we get this out of here, please? No, bad. Super bad. Well, it's okay. I think कुछ technical problem होगा. Yeah, I don't know. इतने बड़े स्टार को लाइव में ऐड करना मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है शायद. Just, I'm kidding. That doesn't mean that you're not. Oh God. इतने बड़े स्टार जो हमारी लाइफ, मतलब मेरी लाइफ संभाल नहीं पाएगी, कनेक्शन एरर्स हो जाएंगे दिन दिन. अरे मैंने तुम्हें बोलता ए बोल. आशिया आया. I know आशिया. Okay, let's try this or that. Okay. Tap and hold to record to start. कुछ नहीं हो रहा. Find out it. Oh नहीं, ये तो बहुत गंदा है. Did you guys see that? It was so funny. Okay, anyways, let's just get back. नहीं हम बड़े कहाँ हैं, आप है, तुम भी ना कुछ भी इतना, मतलब ऐसे करोगे अब. आपकी आंखों में अलग ही नूर है. थैंक यू. ये लाइव एंड करो और दोबारा ऐड करो. ओ भाई मारो मुझे, मारो मारो. What is your favorite color? मेरा फेवरेट कलर है ब्लैक. मुझे रेड बहुत पसंद है, ब्लैक पसंद है, व्हाइट पसंद है, ब्लू पसंद है, पिंक पसंद है, ऑरेंज पसंद है. मुझे सारे कलर्स पसंद है एक्चुअली, बट मेरा मोस्ट मोस्ट फेवरेट है ब्लैक. काफी क्यूट. थैंक यू. लव यू अवनी. थैंक यू सो मच. सिद्धार्थ को ही बस रिप्लाई करो. अरे भाई कहाँ यार, सबको रिप्लाई करो. व्हाट यू डूइंग फॉर स्टे फिट इन दी. आई एम वर्किंग आउट एक्चुअली एंड जय इज रियली हेल्पिंग मी डू दैट. और उसके साथ ही साथ मैं डांस भी कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज डांस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू get back into that gym. It's been a while now. Okay, all the colors basically. Yeah, damn. No, I'm like green. Sorry. I like I want greenery everywhere. Nature अच्छा है, ये सब अच्छा है, सही है. But the color green doesn't suit on me. I feel like emerald वाला जो होता है ना, that really suits on me, but not the other green. Vishang is saying 11 million soon. I know, man. What is happening? Oh God. It's just all the love that these guys have been giving me. What is happening? What? Also, अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक यार ये क्या है, मत करो ऐसे बकवास में, मत प्लीज. ओके, फिल्टर अपने आप ही चेंज होते रहते इधर उधर. हाँ, तो मैं क्या बोल रही थी. इफ यू गाइज हैवंट चेक्ड आउट माय यूट्यूब वीडियो, माय रीसेंट यूट्यूब वीडियो, सो प्लीज गो एंड चेक इट आउट. लिंक है मेरे बायो में. और उसमें मैं अपने फैन आर्ट्स पे रिएक्शन है मेरा. सो इट्स अ रिएक्शन वीडियो टू फैन आर्ट. सो आई होप दैट यू गाइस सी इट. एंड जिन जिन लोगों ने देख लिया है वापस जाओ देखो, because that video is really very close to my heart and that is something that all of my people were really wanting me to do since such a long time. So yeah, I think you guys should go and check it out. We are soon 11 million family. Yes. Sonia, OMJ. Who's Sonia? That's my mother. Your favorite food? मम्मा seriously, या तो सीधे सीधे बोलो बेटा आज क्या खाने में खाओगे. A song that you are humming these days. I really like the song. क्या नाम है इसका? Watermelon Sugar by none other than Harry Styles. So yeah, really like that song. Watermelon Sugar High. That song. क्या आप अपनी मम्मी से कुछ छुपाती हैं? क्या छुपाना है यार उनसे? Come on, yeah, she's like my best friend. Your favorite web series? I think that's gonna be GOT, Vampire Diaries. I don't know. I really like you also, but like my most favorite is gonna be GOT. But the fact that I didn't really like season 8, and many of the viewers were not happy with the result that came out in the end, and we were just very disappointed. That's it. अगर आपने GOT देखा है तो आपको समझ में आएगा मैं क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Very pretty, thank you. What are you specifically doing these days? I like this question, very nice. Specifically तो मैं बहुत कुछ कर रही हूँ, जैसे खा रही हूँ, सो रही हूँ, पौधों को पानी दे रही हूँ, बुक्स रीड कर रही हूँ, पोएम्स लिख रही हूँ, अपने चहीते लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, एंड एक्सरसाइज कर रही हूँ जो मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता था कभी करने का, बट फाइनली आई एम डूइंग इट. हश. एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू get back into dancing and that's it, and a few things. I'm trying not to get fat while I'm just eating and watching Netflix. Abu, wanna see video of your daily routine on YouTube? Oh sure, I can do that. Yeah, sounds interesting. One thing I like to do in free time, I really like to draw. I'm also drawing nowadays, and I would like to read actually. I'm a bookworm. I can read anything. मतलब मेरा जो नॉर्मल सिलेबस की भी अगर किताबें मुझे पकड़ा दी जाए तो वो भी मैं पढ़ के खत्म कर दूँ. I'm like that. अमे, okay, अमे. How's your quarantine going? फिलहाल तो अच्छा चल रहा है. Let's just hope ऐसे ही चले. You are not noticing me. I'm commenting since then, but I still love you. Avneetian forever. Sorry, I'm noticing you. I'm here. Sorry. Watch Money. अरे नहीं यार, नहीं देखा है मैंने. सीजन 1 ही देखा है. मैं क्यों बता. नहीं, मैंने सब देखा है. हो गया, सब देख लिया मैंने. खत्म है. अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी सीरीज है. Number of times you fight with your sibling in a day. Arey, we don't fight. It's just hadapai for us. Is that fight? I don't think so. But no, ऐसा कभी ego वाला fight तो नहीं हुआ अभी तक. थोड़ा मारते वारते रहते हैं इधर उधर. And I also hit him. That's it. That's all. Your favorite Bollywood movie? Okay, I can't categorize it like यही मेरी favorite Bollywood movie है. But there are a lot of Bollywood movies that I really like. मतलब मुझे पता नहीं क्यों, but ए दिल है मुश्किल बहुत पसंद है. I really like that movie. And Three Idiots is nice. Barfi is nice. What else, man? Like there's so many movies. Many. Lies. I know how they fight. See, that happens. That's okay. They're okay now. Thank God. What is your daily schedule to be fit? I told you workout, cardio. I think अगर कार्डियो मतलब आपके घर में मशीन नहीं है, जिम नहीं है, ऑब्वियसली अभी तो किसी के पास भी, तो ट्राई टू रन और जॉगिंग कर सकते हैं और एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं जो आपकी इम्यूनिटी बिल्ड करे, वो एक्सरसाइजेस कीजिए. एंड ट्राई टू स्टे हेल्दी बाय ईटिंग हेल्दी, आई गेस. सो ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल बी फिट. Avneet Kaur, Justin Bieber. Avneet Kaur, Justin Bieber. Yeah. Nice, buddy. Yeah. Do you like Selena Gomez? Oh, I love Selena Gomez. Oh my God, she's just, bro, she's out of the world. She's so beautiful. What is your current favorite English song? I told you, Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles. Adore again by Harry Styles. Yeah, didn't guess. I'm a big Harry Styles. I don't know what. I really adore him, man. Walk through fire for you. Just let me adore you. Yeah, that. Cringe. हाय, आपकी नज़र बिल्कुल कातिलाना है. शुक्रिया माशाल्लाह. क्या बोला आपने? योर फेवरेट हीरोइन? फिलहाल अगर करंटली रिसेंट टाइम्स में देखें तो आलिया भट्ट इज जस्ट किलिंग इट, आई फील. And Deepika Padukone, Kangana Ranaut is very good. Yeah, Taboo is really nice. Like अगर आप actresses में जाएंगे तो भूमि पेडनेकर, आलिया भट्ट, तब्बू, all these. And if you want to go in like heroine वाले way में, then Deepika Padukone is superb. And who else? Katrina is really nice. Yeah, all these. I like all of them actually. They have their own quality, so I can't judge them by that. Current favorite Punjabi music? There's this song. It's called Darya. It's like half Punjabi, half Hindi. So it goes like, "Oh, beh gaya hanjua da darya." Oh, it's that. So it's actually really good. I really like it. Hey babe, pretty. Hi, Ashnoor, the birthday girl. But we gotta party after this, man. What is happening? After quarantine, we need to party. Like, seriously. Like, it's on you. You had your birthday, so you have to give me party. I'm asking for a party right now. The Megha Prasad. Hi. Cutie. Thank you. The latest song is awesome. Always keep going. Thank you so much. Thank you. गुरिंदर जी, कितना हाल चाल? बस सब बढ़िया. घर बैठे हो की करना सी. विकास ग्रोवर, नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप? Ashnu, Darya is from my movie Man Marziyan. Yeah, I know that, babe. I know that. It's a very nice song. Like, I'm currently listening to that song. That's like my current favorite. What just happened? Birdie. Oh, I'm so sorry. Arey, हाँ, I forgot. Charge. मेरा फोन कभी चार्ज नहीं रहता है, कभी भी नहीं. One rumor from the industry which you think is true. Um, Rumor from the industry. Actually, I really don't believe in any rumors, yeah. And I feel like basically even people should not, trust on anything. कुछ भी बोलते हैं आजकल कोई भी कुछ भी. So, but is that a rumor that Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt are dating, or have they come out about it? I think, yeah, that rumor could be true. I don't know. You're not studying अवनीत कौर. भाई बस करो अब, मैं हो गया, मैं 12th हो गया, अभी मेरे एग्जाम के रिजल्ट आएगा, फिर उसके बाद मैं देखूंगी मुझे आगे फिर मैंने पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है. पर अभी तो बिल्कुल पढ़ना नहीं है फिलहाल, क्योंकि मैं अभी अपने बोर्ड्स दे के हटी हूँ. एंड थैंक गॉड, मतलब लिटरली आई हैड कम आउट ऑफ माई वो sorry. I'm so sorry guys. And I've just come out from my exams. और मतलब मेरे last exam हुआ था, and all these things started to happen. I was like, thank God, Baba ji, oof, मेरा खत्म हो गया. And I'm like chill right now, and I'm just waiting for my result, and I don't have to worry about giving my exams again after the lockdown gets over, man. Thank God. फैन लाइक आइडल. मेरे फोन की चार्जिंग बहुत कम है. हाँ, मेरी तो रहती नहीं है, मेरी कभी 20% से ऊपर से दिखी नहीं मैंने. 20 बस ज्यादा हो गया. 50 पकड़ लो. योर प्रेशियस स्माइल. थैंक यू. A style icon you look up to? A style icon? Style icon? I really like this. नहीं यार, नहीं नहीं, वो नहीं नहीं. She's not style icon or something, but Sonam is really great. Like Bollywood में, if you want to go, then Sonam Kapoor, I think. And other, like, if you want to go into influencers and all, I really like her casual kind of dressing. Her name is Miss Go, I guess. She's an influencer, and yeah, she dresses up pretty well. And the best part is that she's a stylist, और वो खुद style look करती है अपने आप को. पापा ये क्या हंसने वाली इमोजी डाल रहे हो? Thank you so much, Avneet, for everything. You are really so sweet. Thank you, Avneet Kaur Punjab. All love to you, girl. God bless. Babe, love you, Janu. Thank you. Hi, Avneet. Hi. Niharika, beautiful like princess. Thank you. Karan Raj Takkar. किद्दां? बस वधिया, तुसी दसो किद्दां? I like your TikToks. Thank you so much, Avneet Kaur Punjab. Abu, your dad is so sweet. He's following me since so long. Hey, that's great, man. Awesome. Like, my family follows you too now. How cool is that? You're looking super cute today. Thank you. अलादीन का एपिसोड का भी पता नहीं है यार. अभी तो फिलहाल मतलब शूट तो कभी शुरू होगा ही नहीं अभी इस टाइम में. So don't know about that. Love you so much. Keep smiling, Muskan. Thank you so much. You not give reply to my Crimea. Hi, I'm here. I can see you and I am replying to you. Your eyes are so stunning. Thank you. Okay, I'm actually thinking I'll add a few people now. Should I do that? Should I not do that? Nobody's saying yes. Please tell my name, Mahi. Hi, Mahi. Your favorite food? यार मुझे राजमा चावल बहुत पसंद है. तो मैं घर का अगर खाना है तो फिर मुझे राजमा चावल पसंद है. बाहर का खाना है तो बर्गर, fries, pizza, donut, waffles, all that. So cute you are. Thank you. Sing one song. Sure, you tell me which song to sing. I can sing it for you. I love you. Today is my birthday. Please take my name. Hi Anya, happy birthday to you. God bless you. Have a great birthday and celebrate it with your fam. Avneet call lifeline. No, you. Acha, you don't want me to add anybody. I remember. Oh God, last time क्या क्या हो गया था. Oh God. I still remember that. Add me please, Avneet. Okay, sure. Darya, you want me to sing Darya? Okay. Any plans on Bollywood debut? अभी तो पता नहीं यार. I just finished my 12th, so let's just hope that I have good projects lined up